Flame Creations is excited to introduce you to our comprehensive Splunk IT Service Intelligence from the Ground Up course, now available on Udemy. In this video, I'm not just sharing knowledge, but I'm offering you a direct path to mastering ITSI at the best price possible. Here's the scoop. While I provide the content for my Udemy course, I don't have control over the prices listed there. Udemy gets to choose the price, and when you go through their site and purchase my course, I get a small proceed. But if you go down below in this YouTube video, go to the description, click the link, and use the coupon code there, I get to set the course price, and the majority of the proceeds come directly to right back to support this channel. So why wait? Click the link in the description, apply the coupon, and dive into the world of IT service intelligence with us. Let's enhance your IT management skills together. Remember, by buying through my channel, you're directly supporting more content from Flame Creations. Thanks for being part of our community, and let's get you learning. So what can you expect from this course? Well, one, we're going to give an introduction to ITSI. We're going to discover how ITSI can revolutionize your IT management. We'll understand the IT architecture overview. We'll understand the structure that supports your service monitoring. We'll set you up for the success with the right preparation through the prerequisites and the planning process for getting ITSI set up. We'll discuss what are entities. We'll dive into what entities are and how they represent your IT assets. We'll be discussing services and explore how services and ITSI help monitor your business applications. We'll discuss what are key performance indicators, KPIs, and master how to define them and track them to measure your performance. Entities, services, and KPIs, and how they work together. We'll see these elements in actions with demos. KPI thresholding will set thresholds to alert you when things need attention in your environment. We'll discuss how to learn how to analyze incidences and service disruptions effectively. We'll be discussing glass tables, how to visualize your IT operations with custom interactive dashboards. Go down below, click the description, and join us now and transform your IT monitoring into a strategic advantage. Enroll in this Udemy course today.